Hi class, it's Miss Keys. Today we're going to focus on doing trig ratios, and this is level 2 questions. So first off, what I'm going to go over is the word SOHCAHTOA. So SOHCAHTOA, remember, the S stands for sine, and so, S-O-H, first we're going to do opposite over hypotenuse. Then in SOHCAHTOA we have cosine, and we have the ca part, C-A-H, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. Last one is tangent, SOHCAHTOA, the toa part. So we have tangent, and then it's opposite over adjacent. Okay, now let's look at number 1. So the directions say find the following trig ratios. And by looking at our answers right here, we can see that we want to look from angle A. So I'm going to look at angle A, and from angle A, I'm going to label my hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. My hypotenuse is always the side across from the right angle, so I'm going to label that. It's my hypotenuse. Across from angle A, if I draw an arrow all the way across through the triangle, that's going to be my opposite side. And then my adjacent is the last side. Then I'm just going to follow what I have written to the right. So I'm going to start with sine of angle A, and sine stands for opposite over the hypotenuse. So my opposite side is 12, and my hypotenuse is 20. Cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. My adjacent side is 16, which I already have labeled, and my hypotenuse is 20. So 16 over 20. Last one is tangent. And tangent is opposite over adjacent, so my opposite side is 12, and my adjacent side is 16. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify these fractions. So I'm going to go back to the sine of angle A, and I can divide both the top and bottom by 4. So then I have 3 over 20 divided by 4 is 5. So that simplifies to 3/5. Next is cosine. Again, looking at 16 and 20, I can divide both the top and bottom by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And then the last one, tangent. I have 12 over 16. I can again divide the top and bottom by 4, so 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now what I want you to try and do is try and do number 2 on your own. So you're going to pause the video and try the problem on your own, and then come back and watch the video, and I'm going to go over how to do number 2. Alright, let's see how you guys did. So for number 2, we're looking from angle F. So from angle F, we're going to start off with sine. So I'm going to do opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite of angle F would be 4. And my hypotenuse across from the right angle is going to be 5. So I'm going to label that my hypotenuse. And then right now I'm just going to label my adjacent side too. So 3 would be my adjacent side, the side that's left. So opposite over hypotenuse, we have that labeled 4 over 5. Next is cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so my adjacent side I already have labeled is 3, and the hypotenuse is 5, so 3 over 5. And then last one is tangent. And tangent is opposite over adjacent. My opposite side labeled is 4. My adjacent side that's labeled is 3. All right, hopefully you guys got that all correct. Now what I want you guys to do is number 3 on the worksheet, and then you're going to turn that into me at the end of the class period. So work on that right now.